Gargling baking soda and water, a perfect solution for healing and cleansing the throat. A great complement for cleansing your throat is to gargle using a rinse. Commonly, gargles are made in order to clean the area of the pharynx. There are other benefits when gargling, such as the fact that it helps to remove the plaque on the teeth, get fresh breath, relieve cold symptoms, relieve a sore throat. This article will discuss some properties and benefits of baking soda when used as a mouthwash, and how it cleans and keeps your throat healthy. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is a salt formed by sodium hydroxide derived from carbonic acid, which contributes to the acid and base balance in the body. The chemical formula used to represent sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaCO3. It's a whitish powder that creates an alkaline reaction on contact with water and then dissolves completely. Baking soda is very easy to find in any type of supermarket. Plus, one of its advantages is that it's not toxic when ingested, which is why it is used as baking powder in the preparation of various desserts. There are thousands and varied uses for which baking soda is useful, like repellent of bad smells, cleaning dishes and kitchen utensils, cleaning of surfaces, stain remover, fruit and vegetable cleaning, exfoliant for face and hands, ingredient in masks for face and hair, cleaning brushes and makeup brushes, antacid, pest control. And just as it cleans and takes care of the teeth, it does the same for the throat. Throat relief. In times of the year when temperatures are low and cold air is getting stronger, it's common to find yourself getting colds. Sore throat and nasal congestion are the symptoms that often occur the most. You have probably experienced an episode where you have caught a cold and felt raspy in the back of your throat, that made it painful to ingest any food or liquid. A good option to remedy these situations is to gargle baking soda and water. A simple, cheap, and effective home remedy is the following. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon baking soda. What should we do? In the cup of hot water, add the teaspoon of baking soda. Proceed to stir very well until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Taking small sips, hold the mixture in your throat, as far back as possible, and start gargling for approximately 30 seconds. Finish by spitting the mixture out. There is no need to swallow it. Repeat the same procedure until you finish with the contents of the cup. Not only will this relieve the sore throat, but it will also help your body recover faster. It is useful to repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times a day, in case the discomfort persists. Another option is to use lemon juice. Remember that lemon is a fruit with antibacterial properties. Its juice helps to clean and disinfect the throat, in addition to relieving the pain of other conditions such as tonsillitis. Ingredients: the juice of 1 lemon, half a glass of water, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. What should we do? Add the baking and lemon juice to the glass of water and then mix them completely. Put the mixture in your throat and start gargling for about 30 seconds. Finish by spitting the mixture out and repeat this procedure 3 to 5 times a day. This baking soda and lemon mixture is excellent. It relieves discomfort in the throat, and freshens your breath. Precautions when using baking soda. However, don't forget that baking soda can also have side effects, especially if you swallow this substance. The side effects of baking soda are very unlikely, but it never hurts to know them. Some of its effects are nausea, vomiting, heartburn, flatulence, muscle weakness, anxiety, difficulty breathing. Therefore, it's important to consult a doctor to indicate the amount and proper use of baking soda for your body.